What if the foods sitting in your kitchen right now could help your body defend itself, reduce harmful inflammation, support healthy cells, and even make losing stubborn fat easier? The truth is, every bite you eat sends powerful signals throughout your body. Some foods encourage healing, while others silently fuel chronic disease. Today, you'll discover 6 science-backed food strategies that can strengthen your body's natural defenses, support long-term health, and help you burn fat more efficiently. Stay until the end because the final food habit is surprisingly simple, yet it's one of the most powerful changes you can make starting today. Every bite of food you eat does much more than satisfy hunger. It sends thousands of biological signals throughout your body that influence how your cells function, how your immune system responds, and how efficiently your organs perform their daily tasks. Rather than simply thinking of food as calories, it's more accurate to view it as information for your body. The nutrients, vitamins, minerals, healthy fats, fiber, and natural plant compounds found in whole foods communicate with your cells, helping them repair damage, produce energy, and maintain balance. On the other hand, diets dominated by highly processed foods, excess added sugars, and unhealthy fats can create an internal environment where inflammation, oxidative stress, and metabolic problems become more common. Understanding this relationship is one of the most important steps toward making better food choices every day. One of the biggest ways food affects your body is through inflammation. Inflammation is not always harmful. In fact, it's a natural defense mechanism that helps the body heal after injury or fight infections. Problems begin when inflammation becomes chronic and remains active for months or even years. Long-term inflammation has been associated with conditions such as heart disease, type 2 diabetes, obesity, arthritis, and an increased risk of several cancers. Foods rich in antioxidants and anti-inflammatory compounds, such as leafy greens, berries, colorful vegetables, herbs, spices, nuts, and extra virgin olive oil, may help support the body's natural ability to regulate inflammation. At the same time, reducing frequent consumption of sugary drinks, refined carbohydrates, processed meats, and heavily processed snacks can help create a healthier internal environment. Another important factor is oxidative stress, which occurs when unstable molecules called free radicals outnumber the body's antioxidant defenses. Free radicals are produced naturally during normal metabolism, but they also increase because of pollution, smoking, excessive alcohol intake, poor diet, and chronic stress. When oxidative stress becomes excessive, it can damage proteins, healthy cells, and even DNA. This damage has been linked to aging and many chronic diseases. Whole plant foods naturally contain antioxidants such as vitamin C, vitamin E, polyphenols, flavonoids, and carotenoids that help neutralize free radicals and support healthy cellular function. Eating a wide variety of colorful fruits and vegetables each day gives your body access to many different protective compounds that work together instead of relying on a single nutrient. Food also plays a major role in supporting the immune system, which constantly protects your body from harmful bacteria, viruses, and abnormal cells. The immune system requires adequate amounts of vitamins A, C, D, E, zinc, selenium, protein, and numerous plant compounds to function properly. A balanced diet filled with whole foods provides these nutrients naturally, while also supporting beneficial gut bacteria, which are closely connected to immune health. In fact, a large portion of the immune system is associated with the digestive tract, making gut-friendly foods like vegetables, fruits, legumes, oats, yogurt, and fermented foods valuable additions to a healthy eating pattern. When your body consistently receives high-quality nutrition, it has the resources needed to maintain normal immune responses and support healthy cell function. Cruciferous vegetables are among the most nutrient-dense foods you can place on your plate, offering an impressive combination of vitamins, minerals, fiber, and naturally occurring plant compounds that support overall health. This family includes broccoli, cauliflower, cabbage, Brussels sprouts, kale, bok choy, arugula, collard greens, and turnips. Although these vegetables may seem ordinary, scientists have spent decades studying them because they contain unique sulfur-containing compounds called glucosinolates. When these vegetables are chopped, chewed, or lightly cooked, glucosinolates are converted into biologically active compounds such as sulforaphane and indole-3-carbinol. Researchers continue to investigate how these compounds may help support the body's natural defense systems, protect healthy cells from damage, and contribute to long-term wellness. While no vegetable can prevent or cure cancer on its own, regularly eating cruciferous vegetables is associated with a healthier dietary pattern that may lower the risk of several chronic diseases. One of the most fascinating compounds found in cruciferous vegetables is sulforaphane. This naturally occurring substance has attracted scientific attention because of its ability to activate the body's own antioxidant defense system. Instead of acting as an antioxidant itself, sulforaphane stimulates certain protective enzymes that help neutralize harmful free radicals before they can damage healthy cells. Oxidative stress caused by excess free radicals has been linked to aging, inflammation, heart disease, diabetes, and various forms of cancer. By encouraging the body's natural protective mechanisms, cruciferous vegetables may help maintain healthier cells and support normal cellular repair processes. This is one reason why nutrition experts often recommend including these vegetables several times each week as part of a balanced eating plan. Cruciferous vegetables are also excellent sources of dietary fiber, which plays a major role in digestive health and metabolism. Fiber helps slow the absorption of carbohydrates, leading to steadier blood sugar levels and reducing sudden spikes after meals. This can improve satiety, making you feel full for longer periods and helping to reduce unnecessary snacking. Fiber also nourishes beneficial bacteria living in the gut, creating a healthier microbiome that supports digestion, immune function, and inflammation control. As these beneficial bacteria ferment fiber, they produce short-chain fatty acids that help maintain the integrity of the intestinal lining and promote a balanced digestive environment. A healthy gut is increasingly recognized as an important contributor to overall health, making fiber-rich vegetables an essential part of everyday nutrition. In addition to their unique plant compounds and fiber, cruciferous vegetables provide an abundance of essential nutrients that support multiple systems throughout the body. They are rich in vitamin C, which contributes to normal immune function and collagen production, vitamin K, which supports healthy blood clotting and bone health, and folate, an important nutrient involved in DNA synthesis and normal cell division. Many cruciferous vegetables also provide potassium, calcium, and magnesium, which help regulate blood pressure, muscle function, and nerve signaling. Because they are naturally low in calories while being high in water and fiber, these vegetables are especially helpful for individuals trying to maintain a healthy weight. Their versatility also makes them easy to incorporate into meals, whether roasted, lightly steamed, stir-fried, added to soups, blended into smoothies, or enjoyed fresh in salads, allowing people to benefit from their impressive nutritional profile in many different ways. Colorful berries are among the most nutrient-rich fruits available, offering an impressive combination of vitamins, minerals, fiber, and powerful plant compounds that support overall health. Blueberries, strawberries, raspberries, blackberries, and cranberries may be small in size, but they contain a remarkable concentration of antioxidants that help protect the body's cells from everyday damage. These fruits have been widely studied because they provide naturally occurring compounds called polyphenols, flavonoids, and anthocyanins, which give berries their vibrant red, blue, and purple colors. Researchers believe these compounds play an important role in supporting healthy aging, protecting blood vessels, and maintaining normal cellular function. While berries are not a cure for disease, regularly including them in a balanced diet can be one of the simplest ways to increase your intake of protective nutrients without adding excessive calories. One of the biggest health benefits of berries comes from their ability to help reduce oxidative stress. Every day, the body produces unstable molecules known as free radicals as part of normal metabolism. Additional free radicals are created through exposure to pollution, cigarette smoke, excessive alcohol consumption, poor diet, chronic stress, and even prolonged sunlight. When free radicals outnumber the body's natural defenses, they can damage healthy cells, proteins, and DNA through a process called oxidative stress. Over time, this damage has been associated with premature aging and an increased risk of chronic conditions such as heart disease, type 2 diabetes, and certain cancers. The antioxidants naturally present in berries help neutralize many of these free radicals, supporting the body's own protective systems and helping maintain healthier cells over time. Berries are also an excellent choice for people who want to manage their weight or maintain healthy blood sugar levels. Unlike many processed sweets that contain refined sugars and very little nutritional value, berries provide natural sweetness along with dietary fiber. Fiber slows digestion, allowing sugar to enter the bloodstream more gradually, which helps reduce sharp spikes in blood glucose after meals. This slower digestion also promotes a greater feeling of fullness, making it easier to control hunger between meals and reduce unnecessary snacking. Because berries are naturally lower in calories than many desserts and snack foods, they can satisfy sweet cravings while supporting healthy eating habits. Replacing sugary treats with a bowl of fresh or frozen berries is a simple dietary change that can make a meaningful difference over time. In addition to their antioxidant and fiber content, berries supply several essential nutrients that contribute to overall wellness. Many varieties are rich in vitamin C, which supports normal immune function, collagen production, and healthy skin. They also contain manganese, potassium, and smaller amounts of folate and vitamin K, depending on the type of berry. Their versatility makes them easy to include in everyday meals, whether added to oatmeal, yogurt, smoothies, salads, or enjoyed as a snack on their own. Frozen berries are just as nutritious as fresh ones because they are typically frozen shortly after harvest, helping preserve many of their beneficial nutrients. Eating a variety of different berries throughout the week provides a wider range of protective plant compounds, allowing the body to benefit from multiple antioxidants that work together to support long-term health and maintain normal cellular function. For many years, dietary fat was unfairly blamed as the primary cause of weight gain, leading many people to avoid foods like avocados, nuts, seeds, and olive oil. Modern nutrition research, however, has shown that not all fats are the same. The type of fat you eat matters far more than the total amount. Healthy, unsaturated fats, found naturally in many whole foods, play an essential role in supporting metabolism, hormone production, brain function, and heart health. Rather than encouraging the body to store more fat, these nutrient-rich foods can actually help regulate appetite, improve satisfaction after meals, and make it easier to maintain a healthy weight. Replacing highly processed foods and unhealthy trans fats with natural sources of healthy fats is one of the most effective dietary changes people can make for long-term wellness. One of the biggest advantages of healthy fats is their ability to promote fullness. Fat takes longer to digest than refined carbohydrates, which means meals containing healthy fats can keep you satisfied for a longer period of time. When healthy fats are combined with lean protein and fiber-rich vegetables, they help slow the emptying of the stomach and reduce the rapid swings in hunger that often lead to overeating. This balanced approach also helps stabilize blood sugar levels by slowing the absorption of carbohydrates into the bloodstream. As a result, many people experience fewer cravings for sugary snacks and processed foods between meals. Over time, eating satisfying meals instead of constantly feeling hungry can make healthy weight management much more sustainable without relying on restrictive diets or skipping meals. Healthy fats also support the production of important hormones that regulate metabolism and energy balance. Hormones such as leptin and ghrelin help control feelings of fullness and hunger, while other hormones rely on dietary fats to maintain normal function throughout the body. In addition, healthy fats are necessary for the absorption of fat-soluble vitamins A, D, E, and K. Without enough dietary fat, the body cannot efficiently absorb these essential nutrients, which support vision, immune health, bone strength, skin health, and normal blood clotting. Omega-3 fatty acids, found in foods like salmon, sardines, walnuts, chia seeds, and flax seeds, have also been studied for their role in supporting heart health, reducing inflammation, and maintaining healthy brain function. Including a variety of healthy fats in your meals helps provide the building blocks your body needs to perform countless daily functions. Excellent sources of healthy fats include extra virgin olive oil, avocados, almonds, walnuts, pistachios, pecans, sunflower seeds, pumpkin seeds, chia seeds, flax seeds, and fatty fish such as salmon and mackerel. These foods provide a combination of monounsaturated and polyunsaturated fats, along with fiber, vitamins, minerals, and antioxidants that contribute to overall health. They are naturally more filling than highly processed snack foods and can easily be incorporated into everyday meals by adding sliced avocado to salads, drizzling olive oil over roasted vegetables, sprinkling nuts and seeds onto oatmeal or yogurt, or enjoying a handful of unsalted nuts as a snack. Choosing these wholesome sources of fat instead of fried foods, processed meats, or packaged snacks supports a balanced eating pattern that nourishes the body while helping control appetite and maintain healthy body composition. Dietary fiber is one of the most important nutrients for maintaining good health, yet it is also one of the most overlooked. Unlike proteins, fats, and carbohydrates that are broken down and absorbed for energy, fiber passes through much of the digestive system largely intact. While this may seem unusual, it is exactly what makes fiber so valuable. It supports healthy digestion, nourishes beneficial gut bacteria, helps regulate blood sugar, promotes heart health, and contributes to healthy weight management. Fiber is naturally found in fruits, vegetables, legumes, whole grains, nuts, and seeds, making these foods essential components of a balanced diet. Consistently eating fiber-rich foods helps create a healthier internal environment where the digestive system can function more efficiently and the body receives long-term support for many important biological processes. One of fiber's most remarkable roles is feeding the trillions of beneficial microorganisms that live inside the digestive tract, collectively known as the gut microbiome. These bacteria are involved in much more than digestion. They influence immune function, metabolism, nutrient absorption, inflammation, and even communication between the gut and the brain. Beneficial bacteria thrive on certain types of dietary fiber that reach the large intestine without being digested. As these bacteria ferment the fiber, they produce short-chain fatty acids such as butyrate, acetate, and propionate. These compounds help nourish the cells lining the colon, maintain the strength of the intestinal barrier, and support a balanced immune response. A diverse and healthy gut microbiome has been associated with improved overall health and may help lower the risk of several chronic diseases when combined with other healthy lifestyle habits. Fiber also plays an important role in maintaining stable blood sugar levels. Soluble fiber, found in foods like oats, beans, lentils, apples, and flax seeds, absorbs water and forms a gel-like substance during digestion. This slows the movement of food through the digestive tract and delays the absorption of glucose into the bloodstream. As a result, blood sugar rises more gradually after meals, reducing sharp spikes and crashes that can lead to fatigue and increased hunger. This slower digestion also helps people feel satisfied for longer periods, making it easier to manage appetite and reduce unnecessary snacking. For individuals working toward maintaining a healthy weight or supporting normal blood sugar control, increasing fiber intake can be a practical and effective dietary strategy as part of an overall balanced eating pattern. Excellent sources of dietary fiber include beans, lentils, chickpeas, peas, oats, barley, brown rice, whole wheat products, berries, apples, pears, leafy greens, broccoli, carrots, nuts, seeds, and many other plant-based foods. Eating a wide variety of these foods provides both soluble and insoluble fiber, each offering unique benefits for digestive and overall health. When increasing fiber intake, it is important to do so gradually while drinking enough water throughout the day, allowing the digestive system time to adjust comfortably. Building meals around whole plant foods naturally increases fiber consumption, while also providing essential vitamins, minerals, antioxidants, and other beneficial compounds. Making fiber-rich foods a regular part of breakfast, lunch, dinner, and snacks supports healthier digestion, promotes greater fullness after meals, encourages beneficial gut bacteria to flourish, and provides lasting nutritional support for the body's natural systems. Long-term health is not built by following short-lived diets or searching for a single superfood. Instead, it develops through consistent daily habits that nourish the body over months and years. Every meal is an opportunity to provide your cells with the nutrients they need to function properly, repair damage, and produce energy. While occasional indulgences are a normal part of life, the foods you choose most often have the greatest impact on your overall health. A daily eating pattern centered on whole, minimally processed foods provides the vitamins, minerals, fiber, healthy fats, lean proteins, and plant compounds that support nearly every system in the body. Rather than focusing on restrictive rules, successful nutrition begins by creating balanced meals that are enjoyable, sustainable, and rich in natural ingredients. One of the simplest ways to build healthier meals is by following a balanced plate approach. Fill at least half of your plate with colorful vegetables and fruits, which provide antioxidants, fiber, and essential nutrients. Reserve 1/4 of the plate for lean protein sources, such as fish, skinless poultry, beans, lentils, eggs, tofu, or low-fat dairy, which help maintain muscle mass and support tissue repair. The remaining quarter can include whole grains or other high-fiber carbohydrates, such as brown rice, quinoa, oats, barley, or sweet potatoes, which provide steady energy throughout the day. Adding a source of healthy fat, such as avocado, olive oil, nuts, or seeds, helps improve satiety while supporting the absorption of fat-soluble vitamins. This simple formula creates meals that are nutritionally balanced without requiring complicated calculations or strict dieting. Hydration is another essential part of the daily food formula that is often overlooked. Water is involved in nearly every biological process, including digestion, circulation, temperature regulation, nutrient transport, and waste removal. Even mild dehydration can contribute to fatigue, headaches, reduced concentration, and decreased physical performance. Choosing water as the primary beverage instead of sugar-sweetened drinks helps reduce unnecessary calorie intake while supporting normal body functions. Herbal teas and water-rich foods like cucumbers, tomatoes, oranges, melons, and leafy greens also contribute to hydration. Drinking water regularly throughout the day, especially before and during meals, supports healthy digestion and may also help some individuals better recognize the difference between hunger and thirst. Healthy eating works best when it is combined with other lifestyle habits that strengthen the body's natural ability to stay well. Regular physical activity helps improve cardiovascular health, maintain muscle strength, support healthy metabolism, and regulate blood sugar. Quality sleep allows the body to repair tissues, balance hormones, and support immune function, while chronic sleep deprivation can increase hunger and make healthy eating more difficult. Managing stress through relaxation techniques, mindfulness, social connection, or enjoyable hobbies also plays an important role because long-term stress can influence appetite, digestion, and inflammation. When nutritious meals, regular movement, adequate hydration, restful sleep, and effective stress management become part of everyday life, they work together to support healthy body weight, improve energy levels, strengthen immune function, and create an internal environment that promotes long-term wellness and resilience.